Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia, and yes, I'm back with another video. Now for today's video, I'll be doing a press on nail. It's not really a tutorial because I already did that on my channel. So if you haven't seen that, you can go ahead and check out. The link will be in the description. For today's video, I just wanted to bring to you guys some nails that I found, and I was so impressed and so excited. You guys know I love a press-on because I will slay and I will save my coins, and you can too. All right, so the nails I'll be using today are the Kiss extra long nails. So for those of you guys who want something a little bit more fancy, but the length was too short, because to me their long nail is like a medium in real life. So yeah, you slay for $10 under 10 minutes. What more can you ask for, guys? Like, yeah, so let's get into the video and see what these come out like. Yeah, so excited.
Alright, so what I'll be doing, guys, is I will be prepping my nails before I start gluing on the press-ons. I already did a video showing the step-by-step process, so I will not be doing it in this video. I'll be speeding through it. So let me just tell you guys basically what I'm doing. So I'm just pushing back my cuticles, and then I will be using the scraper to remove all the dead flesh from my nails and all the residue. Then I will be using the nail clip to remove all of the hangnails or broken cuticles that I have. Then I will be using the nail file to remove any shine from my nails. All right, and then we'll start the gluing process. So listen to some music, and yeah, I will be speeding through this part of the video. All right. Alright, so after removing the shine from my nails with a nail file, I will be using my Mia Secret Dehydrator, and this is a step that you cannot skip, guys. This is what is going to remove all the moisture and oils from your nails to make sure that your nails stay on longer. Now it will dry out everything from your nails, so ensure that you do not put it on your cuticle or on your skin. You put this on your nail bed only. It is a step that you should not miss. All right, so after I apply the dehydrator, I will move on to my other hand, and I will do everything that I did to my first hand. So I will be speeding that part up as well. Alright, so now I will be going through the nails to find the ones that are the best fit. Sometimes it's best to choose a nail that's a little bit smaller than your natural nail. It will look more realistic than rather than to choose something that's bigger, that's sitting on your cuticle or on your flesh. All right, so I'm gonna go through now, find the perfect size, and if it's a little bit too big or if the corners are too square, then I will use my nail file to tweak it a bit to fit the shape of my natural nail. Okay, so now I found all the sizes for both hands. I'll be going ahead and applying another coat of dehydrator because I was moving around and the time is very hot, so I was sweating a bit and I do not want to have any moisture at all on my nails. So yeah, I'll be applying another coat to both hands. Yeah, this stuff is very good, guys. Like, if you are wearing press-ons, then you need this. You need this. You do not have to get the same brand. This is Mia Secret, and it works very well for me, and it doesn't have a bad smell. So that is why I stick to it. And as you guys know, I get this from Amazon. So if you are doing press-ons, go ahead and get you one. They are not expensive, and they are worth the buy. All right, so I'm going to wrap this up. After I do that, then I will move on to gluing on my nails, and I will be using the Kiss brush on glue. I love this stuff. Like, yeah, it's so much easier to work with than the regular dropper glue because it doesn't run as much and it gives you way more control and it doesn't flood your cuticles as much. All right, so now I will begin the gluing process. So I will be taking some glue and put it into the well of the nails. You do not want to use too much because you do not want to flood your cuticles. Yeah, and you don't want to do it messy where you have to do a lot of cleanup. So yeah, so I normally put some glue on my natural nail as well, not a lot, just a little bit, and then I begin gluing on the press-ons. I will put it at the tip of my nail and then I will push it down towards my cuticle. This way I will get rid of any air bubbles underneath the nail. All right. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and use my nail file just to file down the tabs on the tips of the nails and just to remove any sharpness so I don't scratch myself or scratch anyone. Alright, and guys, are you seeing these nails? Like, they are amazing. Trust me, like, what? I paid $10 for this. I think $10 and some cents. Like, amazing. So now I'm going to wipe up those two places where the paper towel kind of got stuck to the glue. I'm just using some acetone and just gently rub on the paper towel, and then I'll use like the scraper end of the tool just to gently lift it up, and you guys will see in a minute it will come off so easy, no issues. And then I will be using my cuticle oil just to add some shine to my cuticles. Remember, we use the Dehydrator, so they're gonna be a bit dry, so I'm just adding some shine, and then I'll be using my fingers just to rub it in.
Alright guys, so that's the end of my little mini tutorial. As I said, I already did one of these on my channel, so this was just mainly to show you guys a fancier version of the press-on nails, and of course the extra long length. Yeah, and I am loving these. Like $10, you can slay in 10 minutes for $10. Like, what more could we ask for? Like I love them so much. Oh my god, everyone knows I love my nails, and like with this here, honey, I'm totally feeling myself. Like, come on. Alright, so I will link the nails below in the description. I got these from Walmart. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys, and like the video. Remember to leave a comment, and you're also free to share the video. All of these things will help the channel to grow. Alright, so you can see more amazing content. Alright, so thank you guys, and until next time, be blessed. Bye.